Good morning students. Let us continue our lesson 3rd, safety and first aid. Now today I am going to explain you safety from fire. Fire is a very useful tool for man when used properly and with care. However, accidents involving fire may cause a lot of damage and pain. It is better to be very careful and prevent a fire disasters because fire can cause severe damages to the life and properties. So we say that fire is a very powerful thing when it is out of control. But fire can be caused due to the various reasons such as like handling firecrackers, matchsticks, kerosene stoves and candles carelessly and by electric short circuit or other faults. Next, by gas leakage from the gas cylinder in the kitchen or in the factories. So, these are the main causes of the fire. So, we can avoid this situation by taking following steps. So, first step is we should be careful while handling firecrackers, kerosene stoves, matchsticks and candles. So, we should never play matchsticks, crackers and candles. Next step is we should not wear nylon or synthetic clothes while cooking in the kitchen because nylon or synthetic cloths catch fire easily. So, we should always wear cotton cloths while cooking in the kitchen. Next step is we should check the electrical wiring and fitting regularly. Next step is in case of a gas leakage in the kitchen, we should open all the windows and doors immediately and never strike a matchstick or switch on an electrical appliances. Such a condition and make sure that gas stove is switched off when not in use. So, next is we should install a fire extinguisher at home and in big buildings. So, what is the meaning of the fire extinguisher? So, fire extinguisher is a device that to put out fire and they contain carbon dioxide gas or foam. The gas or foam surrounds the fire and puts it off by cutting off the air supply. Show this in the picture. This is a fire extinguisher and this fire extinguisher you have to see in this in your school, hospitals or even their cars also. So, this fire extinguisher device is used for only minor fires. And next is sometimes a person can catch fire on his clothes. In such a case, she should not run around because oxygen is needed for a fire to burn. If a person runs around, he comes in contact with more oxygen and the fire grows. So ask him to the stop and drop to the ground. Wrap in a blanket to put off the supply of oxygen and roll him on the ground. It will put out of the fire. Show like this in this picture. Next is how to handle fire break. So, if a major fire in a building, so we should dial 101 to call the fire service immediately. And if in case of minor fire, so it can be put out by the fire extinguisher this. And if the fire occurs due to the electrical fault, so it can be put out by using the sand or fire extinguisher. In this case, water should never be used. It is because electric current can pass through water and people around can be electrocuted. So, water is never used in electrical fault. And next is for fire due to petrol or kerosene, oil through the sand to put off the air supply to the fire and water should never be used in this case. The fire will then spread faster. So, that's all for today. Keep revising.